Good morning. My name is Johansson and my register number is URK25CS1018. Today I am going to explain practicum number 10, which is memory management using paging. Paging is a memory management technique in operating systems where logical memory is divided into pages and physical memory is divided into frames, and this helps in effective memory utilization. First, I will be explaining the execution in the Linux terminal. As shown in the output, I created the program file using the command vi paging.c, where I wrote the C code for implementing the paging technique. Then I compiled the program using gcc paging.c /o paging, which converts the source code into an executable file. After that, I executed the program using dot slash paging dot the program. The program then prompts the user to enter inputs such as the number of pages and frames. It also asks to enter the frame number corresponding to each page, which forms the page table. Then the user enters the page size and a logical address. Based on these inputs, the program calculates the page number by dividing the local address by the page size and calculates the offset using the remainder operation. Using the page number, it finds the corresponding frame number from the page table and finally computes the physical address. Next, I will be explaining the C program. So the program starts with including the standard input-output header file. Inside the main function, necessary variables such as pages, frames, page time table, logical address, offset, and page number and physical address are declared. The program first checks whether the number of pages exceeds the number of frames, and if so, it displays that the memory is insufficient. Otherwise, it accepts the frame numbers and stores them in the page number and offset, stores them in the page table. Then it takes the page size and logical address as inputs and perform calculations to determine the page number and offset. It also validates whether the page number is within the limit. Finally, the physical address is calculated using the formula frame number multiplied by page size plus offset. And all the results, including the page number, offset, frame number, physical address are displayed. This program clearly demonstrates how paging works in memory management and how logical addresses are translated into physical addresses efficiently. Thank you.